This content has been deemed inappropriate for children under 13. Viewer discretion is advised. This is for adults only. Adult collectibles. What's up, you guys? It's ZacJacDan back with some more Marvel Legends news. This time we're talking about two more exclusive Black Widow figures. One from Target, the white costume, and one for Walmart, the gray costume. These are both comic accurate. So here is the Walmart gray costumes. Comes with a jetpack, alternate hands. Comes with a few guns for her arms and some firing mechanisms and whatnot. Short hair on this one. I'm hoping that all these heads will be swappable between these and some of the past Black Widow comic book accurate Marvel Legends, because I would much rather have a long-haired Black Widow myself. We'll see. This one is the Target exclusive with a white costume. She has longer hair, has a rifle, a silencer gun, several effects that go into the guns, a shorter gun, not sure what kind of gun that is. This one, again, will be Target exclusive. Both of these are going up for pre-order on January 23rd, 2020, so get out there and check those out. And just to remind you, Fan Channel exclusive has the MCU version of the White Widow / Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson, with the stand and the hooks and the guns and the explosions and all this stuff. Get out there to your Fan Channel exclusive. Get out there to all those different websites that you have. Here is a close-up of her face. Great face printing technology on this one. Dorkside Toys has it. Big Bad Toys has it. $29.99. Amazon has it. Should be released March 30th, 2020. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this news. Hit the notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these two breaking news Target and Walmart exclusives. Guys, don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave any kind of comments. Hit that notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later.